Exercise 32. It's a parametric first degree equation. In the equation above, b is a constant. For what value of b does the equation have infinitely many solutions? In these exercises, in all these exercises, and we have seen so many so far, we know that the first thing that we should do is operations. So bx minus 12 minus 9x equals negative 12. Then we need to rearrange everything so that we bring it in the form something times x equals something else. So bx minus 9x is 14 minus 12. b minus 9x is 2. And now we should consider cases. We know that in order for that to have infinitely many solutions, minus 12 minus, sorry, there it is, there's the mistake. It's not negative 14, it was minus 12. So 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0. We know that this infinitely many solutions only leads to 0x equals 0. We have the 0 on the right side. Now we need to see how we can create a 0 on the left side as well. b minus 9 should be 0, which means that b should be equal to 9. So that's the value of b, so that this parametric equation of first degree has infinitely as many solutions.